Overdrafts do not happen because you are careless. They happen because timing is cruel. Bills hit before deposits. One small surprise stacks on a thin week, and suddenly the bank is charging you for breathing. This week we fix that. You will install a $500 cushion, a tiny, always available buffer in checking that stops fees and panic without making you feel poor. Here is the promise. In the next minutes, you will get 3 things. 1. A simple map, so money moves the day after payday without dashboards or guilt spirals. 2. A Saturday-only check that keeps your cushion alive in under 1 minute. 3. A refill protocol for the moment life punches, so you recover without shame. First, the map we use for everything here. Bills, spend, save and invest. Bills covers essentials and keeps your checking cushion at the floor. Spend is your weekly card for real life, so one bad day cannot wreck a month. Save and invest grows your emergency tiers and keeps a tiny, calm buy alive. One broad index fund, once per month, sized to survive lean weeks. The cushion lives in checking. That is the point. It is the shock absorber between a messy week and a fragile brain. Rule: never let it drop below your floor. If it dips, refill it first, before anything else. Identity: you are a person whose checking account rarely scrapes zero. 500 sounds big. Start smaller and automatic. If 500 feels far, begin with a $100 floor, then 300, then 500 as the habit sticks. The number is a step. The rule is the identity. Let us install it step by step. Step 1. Choose your floor. Pick a number that makes your week feel calm when you see it in checking. For many beginners, that is 500. For leaner budgets, start with 300 today and set 500 as the next milestone. Write it down. Cushion floor in checking. Step 2. Choose the home and the label. Open your banking app and nickname the checking account, or create a space called Daily Cushion. Labels reduce friction. Friction kills habits. If your bank does not support nicknames, put the label in your phone notes and pin it. Step 3. Set the flow for the morning after payday. Money moves automatically the morning after pay hits. 1. Bills get funded. 2. If the cushion is below the floor, a small transfer tops it up first. 3. A fixed amount goes to save and invest. Your weekly spend reloads on Sunday to a number you can keep. No midweek heroics. Irregular income. Use percentages, not fixed dollars. Think presets. Lean is 65-35 across bills, spend, save and invest. Normal is 60-30-10. Feast is 55-25-20. The cushion refill still happens first whenever it is under the floor. The rule bends with your month. The habit does not. Now the engine that grows your cushion without drama, the $25 mini raise ladder. The rule in one breath: every 60 days, if the last 2 weeks felt calm, raise your post-payday transfer by $25. If not calm, skip once. Saturday only. That is it. No willpower at checkout, no midweek tweaks. A decision light system that gets heavier only as life allows. Let us feel the slope. You begin at $25 after payday. 60 days later, if the last 2 weeks felt calm, that becomes 50. 60 more days, 75. After 1 year of calm checks, you're at $175 per payday, built quietly. If any check was not calm, you did not fail. You skipped once and protected the chain. The cushion kept breathing. Debt questions. High interest debt is real. The rule stands: never miss minimums. Keep your cushion at the floor so daily life stops breaking. While the cushion is still below 500, it gets priority. When the cushion holds at 500 and stays there, split extra between your fast emergency month and your highest cost debt. Calm plus progress beats perfect math you cannot keep. Here is the Saturday check, the 45-second ritual that keeps the system alive. 1. Are next month bills fully funded? If yes, stop feeding bills until the cycle resets. 2. Did the calm buy execute this month? If it failed, reschedule it now for next Thursday, 1 buy per month, small enough to survive your worst week. 3. Cushion status. If checking is below your floor, schedule a top-up from Save and Invest, or slightly trim next week, Spend. If the last 2 weeks felt calm, tap +25 on your post-payday transfer. If not calm, tap skip once. Saturday only. Now the refill protocol for when life hits, because it will. Small hit? Gas, groceries, a surprise copay under your weekly capacity. Pay from checking. That is the cushion job. Bigger hit, say $240. Pay it, then immediately schedule refills across the next few paychecks. The goal is not to end the day with a perfect graph. It is to recover without panic or new debt. Stacked hits or job loss. Drop to essentials only for a few weeks. Protect the cushion floor first, then resume building your fast emergency month. Keep the calm buy tiny but alive if possible. Identity over intensity. Let us humanize this with a short story. Maya is a rideshare driver. Checking used to scrape 0 every Thursday. 2 overdrafts a month felt normal. She set a cushion floor of $300 to start and a $25 post-payday transfer. Week 3, a tyre patch and a larger than expected grocery run dropped her to $120. Instead of shame, she ran the refill protocol. 2 small top-ups over 2 paychecks, and her Saturday check stayed clean. 60 days in, she raised to $50. 4 months in, her floor reached $500. Overdrafts were gone. Not because the world got cheaper, but because timing stopped being the boss. Make your progress visible. Grab a sheet of paper. 3 lines, 100, 300, 500. Under each, draw 10 tiny boxes. Add today numbers. Every payday, colour 1 box. When a row fills, celebrate cheap and clean. A walk, a call with a friend, a single-serve coffee. Rewards keep systems alive. Partners, use mine, yours and ours. The cushion lives in ours because emergencies are shared, but each person can keep a mini raise on their own accounts. On Saturdays, you run the same 3 questions together. Bills funded, calm buy done, cushion at or above the floor. If yes to all, consider +25. If not, hold steady. Common mistakes you will not make. 1. Treating the cushion like Tier 2. The cushion is for this week life, timing issues, gas and groceries, not for medical chaos. That is Tier 2. 2. Raising midweek. We never raise midweek. Saturday only. 3. Pausing the calm buy to go faster. Do not kill identity. Keep it tiny and automatic so it survives lean months. A quick leak sweep to speed the cushion without pain. Find one $10 leak, an unused subscription, a bank fee or a delivery habit, and redirect that exact dollar to your post-payday transfer. It is boring and it works. Over a year, small patches add up. Let us lock it in right now. Open your bank. Label your checking daily cushion. Set your floor, $300 or $500. Schedule a post-payday transfer of $25 labelled Mini Raise Cushion. Create a 60-day calendar reminder with the memo. Saturday only. If calm for 2 weeks, add 25. If not, skip. Put the paper tracker where you pay bills. Colour the first box. That is day 1. Comment to commit, word for word. Ladder $25. Saturday only. Raise in 60 days. Calm buy alive. Post your line so we can move together. Next Monday, we will look for 1 win and 1 block in the comments. Your line will nudge somebody else forward, and that compounds too. Close the loop. Open the app. Fund bills. Send the 25. Colour 1 box. Close the app. Go live your weekend. When life gets loud, you will already have a floor under your feet, a sentence to follow, and a Saturday that keeps you honest. Calm beats noise. Rules beat moods. We build wealth by repeating boring wins. See you on Saturday with overdrafts in the rear view and your cushion intact. Educational content only, not financial, tax or legal advice.